Students, today I am going to discuss about solution which is based on previous video. Question number 1. Write full form of computer. What was your question number 1? Write full form of computer. Note down in your copy. Computer stands for Common Operating Machine, purposely used for technological and educational research. Second question is, what is computer system? What is computer system? A computer system is a set of integrated devices that input, output, process and store data and information also. Computer systems are currently built around at least one digital processing device. There are 5 main hardware components in a computer system: input, processing, storage, output and communication devices. Okay. Next question is, give difference between hardware and software. Write about hardware. The term hardware refers to mechanical device that makes a computer. Computer hardware consists of interconnected electronic devices that we can use to control computer's operation, like input and output. Example of hardware are CPU, keyboard, mouse, hard disk. Next, software. A set of instructions that drives computer to do stipulated task is called a program. Software constructions are programmed in a computer language, translated into machine language and executed by computer. Software can be categorized into 2 types: system software and application software. Next question is, write short notes on the following: input device, output device and storage device. First, I will talk about input device. An input device is any hardware device that sends data to a computer, allowing you to interact with and control it. Example, Logitech trackball mouse. The most commonly used or primary input devices on a computer are the keyboard and mouse. Next, output device. An output device is any peripheral that receives data from a computer, usually for display, projection or physical reproduction. Example, printer and plotter. Next, storage device, referred to as digital storage, storage media or storage medium. A storage device is any hardware capable of holding information either temporarily or permanently. Example, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory, RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory and ROM stands for read-only memory. Secondary memory means hard disk, pen drive, floppy disk. today I will discuss about Windows 10. What is Windows 10? Windows is an operating system. 10 is a version of this operating system. So students, today first I will discuss about what is an operating system, then functions of an operating system, then features of Windows 10, components of our desktop, components of taskbar, navigation pane, control panel, then theme. So first I will discuss about what is an operating system. First topic is operating system. What is an operating system? Operating system is an interface between the user and the computer. It manages all the software and hardware of the computer. What are the functions of an operating system? The most important functions of an operating system are input-output management, program execution, resource allocator, main memory management, file management and secondary storage management. Now we will discuss one by one. Input-output management. Every task requires some input from user, which is then processed to generate the desired output. Operating system interacts with various devices through special software called device driver in order to get this done. Next, program execution. The operating system takes charge for executing various programs, whether generated by the user or the system. Next, resource allocator means software programs, applications and data need to be stored and managed effectively. The operating system acts as a manager of these resources and allocates them to specific programs and users as necessary. These resources could be CPU, time, memory space, file storage space, input or output devices, and so on. Next, main memory management. For a program to be executed, it has to be located in the main memory. Operating system keeps it into main memory. When space is available, allocates and deallocates memory space as needed. Last, file management and secondary storage management. Operating system looks into various aspects like creation and deletion of files and folders, free space management, storage allocation, disk scheduling, and so on. Features of Windows 10. Return of start menu, improved multitasking. Multitasking means you can do more than one task or you can perform more than one task at a time. That is called multitasking means at the same time. It can be operated through smartphones, desktops, laptops. It has made the working of operating system easy. Components of our desktop: start button, task view, notification area, date and time, network status, battery status, background image. First, start button. It is back in Windows 10 and provide access to the applications available on your Windows 10. On clicking the start button, start menu is displayed. Cortana. It is also known as the search box. It is present on the taskbar and helps in searching within your documents and files. Task view. You can open multiple desktops from here. You can also organize all the windows or application which are currently in use. Notification area. It is located on the right side of the taskbar. Different types of notifications from volume, level, internet connections, antivirus, status, etc. are displayed here. Date and time. Date and time is shown as soon as we switch on our computer. It is an inbuilt feature of the operating system and cannot be changed. Network status. Network status helps a user to know about its networking status, whether it has been connected to the internet or not. Battery status. Battery status helps a user to check the battery level of the system. It is majorly used by the laptops. Background image. Background image of the system can be changed and can be personal according to the choice of the user. Next, components of a taskbar. Start button, task viewer, file explorer, store, notification area, and Microsoft Edge. Start button. Using this button, you can start your application. Task viewer, it is also called task switcher. This feature has turned out to be efficient for all those users who have to switch from one window to another. Then File Explorer. File Explorer is there on the task by default. It looks like a folder. File Explorer is a file management application which helps to access different folders and files. Next, Store. Store option is available on the taskbar, which is used for downloading the applications and the programs by the users. Notification area. Notification area is on the right side of the taskbar, which gives various information to the user about the date and time, internet connection status, current volume level. Last, Microsoft Edge. An icon is present on the taskbar which helps to access the web browser easily. It is basically new web browser introduced in Windows 10 for browsing. Navigation pane. Windows 10 gathers most frequently used items and places them in the navigation pane. Components of navigation pane. Quick access. This tool is used to check all the frequently checked locations as it consists of shortcuts of those locations. Desktop. It is an option which opens and shows us all those documents that are present on the desktop. Downloads. It is used for searching and downloaded items. OneDrive. After creating a Microsoft account, a free storage space is provided which is known as OneDrive. This PC, it helps to check through the hard drive. Next, control panel. Control panel is used to change the settings of the windows as per your requirement or need. Next, theme. What are the use of themes? Themes are used to change the background, icons and many more things to give the desktop a personal touch. A theme usually comprises of a set of shapes and colors for the graphical control elements, the window decoration and the window. Themes are used to customize the look and feel of a piece of computer software or of an operating system. Homework for today is: what is an operating system? What are the functions of an operating system? Next question: what are the features of Windows 10? Next question: give difference between application and system software. Question number 4. Write about any two components of navigation pane and taskbar. Last question: what is control panel? Thank you.